one thing I do like about this one is it sits quite high up off the ground.
The water line?
Off the water a little bit. I mean, it's still low, but like you're below the water line, I'm right at it.
Yeah, you're on top of it. Barely.
But also my elbows don't go in the water. Like in my Stratos, my elbows go right in the water sometimes.
Yeah. True. Let's check out this marina.
I'll tell you what's really cool. At Keystone Lake, up near Tulsa, I think it is. There's a they have a huge one, and they got all these houseboats that are like 50, 60, 100 foot long on there. Yeah, really cool. I had a little, you know, one of my little dinky Pelican kayaks, like an 8-footer, my first one. And I kayaked all past that, and I was like, holy crap! Kayak past all these huge houseboats.
That's cool.
Te estoy buscando América y temo no encontrarte. Tus huellas se han perdido entre la oscuridad. Te estoy llamando América.
Yeah, too shallow.
Pero no me respondes. Te han desaparecido los que temen la verdad. Envueltos entre sombras, negamos lo que es cierto. Mientras no haya justicia, jamás tendremos paz. Viviendo dictaduras, te busco y no te encuentro. Tu torturado cuerpo no saben dónde está. Si el sueño de uno es sueño de todos, romper la cadena y echarnos a andar, tengamos confianza, pa'lante mi raza, a salvar el tiempo por lo que vendrá. Dilo,
This water's cold.
te han secuestrado América.
See just how waterproof this camera is.
Y a nosotros nos toca ponerte en libertad. Te estoy llamando América.
So let's go here. There's Calchando out back over there.
Y antes que
on
se nos
beautiful Draper Lake
muera,
on a
te
very
vamos a
gray,
encontrar.
and now it's sprinkling day. We're on the south side, right?
Outside.
We're on this big cove.
It is really cool. It may be gray and it may be brown out here. You know, no green, but
The water's
it's
wet.
cool. I like this
Yes.
lake. South side is awesome.
Yeah, and so we're gonna go explore a little bit more, and then we're gonna start heading back before the rain drowns us.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting that rain.
No. Well, let's go see this edge. Yeah.
Estoy buscando América, estoy llamando América, luchando por la raza y nuestra identidad. Estoy buscando América, esta es mi casa, estoy llamando América, y vamos a encontrarte entre esta oscuridad. Estoy buscando América, estoy llamando América. Te han desaparecido los que niegan la verdad. Estoy buscando América, estoy llamando América. Y a nosotros nos toca hoy ponerte en libertad.
So Draper Lake, after a few hours of kayaking, this fog has come in from nowhere, and it is crazy. Straight ahead, there's that you see land there, but to the right of the land there's an island. You can only see it. The island is completely covered up in fog.